Hi everyone, it's Caroline and today I'm sharing my review about the UMAY TB10, a 5-in-1 Pilates ball reformer. I tested it for many sessions. So is it a great device for those who prefer to train at home? Let's find out. So we all know that Pilates can be a bit expensive and that sometimes as a beginner can be also very scary. So UMAY came with an affordable solution to help the shy girl getting started with the Pilates journey without having the worry to be judged from the comfort of the home. To summarize, is the UMAY TB10 a luxury device? The answer is no, but it's affordable and beginner friendly. So to me it's perfect for everyone who want to get started with Pilates, so I will recommend it. The product arrives almost fully assembled. Just a few pieces to add and you will be good to go. It's not heavy and it's easy, so don't worry about it. And the good point is you can also fold it at 180 degrees, so you will be able to store it very easily against a wall, behind the door, under your sofa or even your bed. It comes in 3 different colors: purple, which is the one I got, green and gray. It's not essential for everyone, but personally I like to be able to choose the color. The purple is soft and original, the gray is very clean and neutral, and the green feels more modern. And a little bonus, you get a cute pair of socks gifted with. Reason why is simple and minimalist. It doesn't feel like you have a big bulking gym machine at home. The knees and elbow pad as well cushioned. The structure feels nice and stable. The roller slides nice and smoothly during workout. For home use, the overall build quality is great. The UMAY TB10 works with resistance band. It allows you to work your core, abs, arm, leg and glutes using movement inspired by Pilates and light strength training. Personally, I mostly use it for short workouts like 10 or 20 minutes when I want to stay active at home without any pressure. It's not very intense workout, but it's effective for maintenance and consistency. Now let's talk about the app. The UMAY app offers short guided workout, which is very helpful if you are a beginner or if you don't know what to do. The exercises are easy to follow and well explained, which helps to stay consistent. Now let's talk about few limits. It's important to be clear. It is not a real studio Pilates reformer. The resistance is a bit lighter and the feeling is a bit different too. If you are looking for advanced or very technical reformer, this won't replace the machine you can find at the studio. However, for gentle workout, light strength training or mobility at home, it does the job very well. So who is it for? I will recommend it if you have limited space, you want an easy to start device, you are looking for a simple way to move at home, or want to get back into exercise gently. To conclude, the UMAY TB10 is a compact, practical and good-looking equipment. It doesn't replace professional equipment. It makes it easy to add exercises to your daily routine. If you like simple format, short workout and discreet equipment, this is a very good option to consider. And the good news is UMAY offers you a super discount that you will find the code and the link in the description below. In the meantime, if you have any question regarding this equipment or any other equipment from UMAY, feel free to leave me a comment below. I will be more than happy to reply. I will see you soon for another video. Ciao!